What's going on, y'all? It's Eat with Patrick Blackwood with another one, man. Today I'm having buffalo roasted wings with some fries. Got me some cranberry. We gonna get this show on the road, y'all. And I appreciate you guys liking all these videos, showing so much love, and close to 5,000 subscribers. I would appreciate you guys, man. Like, seriously, I appreciate you guys, the support and love, good and bad, the criticism, whatever, the good, bad, and ugly. You feel me? Ladies, more salute to y'all. Just fucking with me the long way, 100. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this show on the road. Amen. Man, the first meal of the day, man. I didn't get to work out last night or yesterday at all since I came back from Florida. Me and my ex had a heated conversation, man. Heated conversation. Literally, I haven't seen her about a month. She was in 3 weeks in Florida. Then I went to Florida for a week, you know, create some content with me and my family and my friends. I haven't seen her in a long time. Had great vibes, and that's what I needed. Find out that my ex went to fucking Houston. You did? Like, where they do that at? Where they do that at, for real? I get it, you're a grown-ass woman, you're single. But when I'm taking care of my kids, nah, man, you gotta let me know what's up. Like, that's how I feel. Like, you ain't gonna put no random stranger in the house that I don't fucking know. They could be stealing shit from the house. You don't even know, bro. Like, I don't even move like that. I don't move like that, yo. I don't move like that. That bothers me, the fuck. That really bothers me. So I had to confront her and let her know, like, you dead wrong for that. Regardless that me and her is not together, I want to at least establish some type of dignity, actually some respect. You feel me? Like, I want to establish a respect in the house. We both pay rent, you know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, I just want to establish that, yo, I love my kids, or that I take care of. At least I should know about that. You're a grown-ass woman. We're not together, and I get that. And I respect her. I respect that. I respect her for who she is from day one. Without her, I wouldn't be here to this today. You get what I mean? Like, I'm not gonna go out here and disrespect her and this and that. Whoop de whoop. I ain't like that type of. I'm not that type of dude. But I'm not gonna take no bash back. You know, me and her do get in an argument, and we go at each other. But at the end of the day, I'm a grown-ass man. She a grown-ass woman, and I respect her. So earlier this morning, or last night, because we haven't slept together since a month and 2 days, I just want to give her the space, and I slept on the couch. She said, yo, you need to sleep on the couch because we haven't been sleeping together. And I said, you know what? I respect that. I respect that. You feel me? I don't want no bad energy where I stick my head at. We got in an argument. It is what it is. And I just feel like we hash it out then and have these uncomfortable conversations so we can actually move on and be better with our lives. And if we want to reconcile our relationship, or possibly just be good friends, and then, you know what I'm saying, like, I'd rather just deal with that. And because, like I said, I know where I came from. She got me where I started, and I respect a woman like that. You get what I mean? So, and that's not being on some sucker shit or some pussy shit. Not just being like, yo, you know where you came from. She got you where you at. And if it wasn't for her, you wouldn't be where you at. You get what I mean? I wouldn't have you guys as my audience. So real recognize real at the end of the day. And you know, you gotta know how to move accordingly. I respect highly of my ex. I love her to death. And yes, I hopefully want to reconcile my relationship. But right now, I'm just gonna keep on focused on doing me and building my audience and deliver great content for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna accomplish. Gotta hold myself accountable, because if I didn't do the things that I did, we'll be together to this day. You feel me? So if a person can't hold himself accountable, dog, they're not ready to mature and grow up and evolve as a good person. They always want to throw bash that motherfucker and say, oh, you this and you that, and making videos every day, or trying to send toxic messages every day to a motherfucker. Like, dog, you gotta fucking grow up. There's a point in time to shit get old. You can't hold on to shit in the past. You feel me? Like, if you're a female or a nigga that do that, you're toxic as fuck. And I get it. It hurts. I get it. It fucking hurts. But what makes you a better person? How can you be a better person if you don't keep on harping on shit that happened in the past? How that gonna make you a better person? You're stuck in your fucking mental about, damn, this is happening. This motherfucker, we don't know. Human can change. We all have human nature. Everybody can change at the end of the day. And think about it. Motherfucker trying to diss you because they trying to be like you. Because they messed up their blessing. So they try to diss you. Right there, that I call a hater. Or better yet, like, you trying to dick ride the swag, but you can't do it better. Where do you do that at? Acknowledge the swag. Acknowledge what that person done for you. Like, shit, like I said, I acknowledge that shit. But now I'm creating my own little swag, not my own DNA. That's just what it is. So, like I said, I'm gonna keep doing me. I'm gonna keep doing what I love to do, create good content, make better decisions, and go through this life, understand what life is, and just being a better, best version of myself, man. Because nobody can take that away from me, you feel me? Damn, the fry came out my mouth. Man, like I said, y'all, I got love for y'all. And thank y'all for supporting me. Better yet, building my confidence. And then one thing I want to say, if you got more haters, get more. Oh, hold on. I want to tell y'all a saying. I'm going to tell you a saying. Your old haters will turn like new fans, and you need some new haters. Believe that. Let them hate, because that means you're doing something great. You feel me? But I'll see you guys in my next one. Love.